Goodwill is an amazing social enterprise dedicated through the power of work and the dignity of a job of changing lives, families, and communities for the better. And we do so through an amazing social enterprise dedicated to environmental stewardship and sustainability. We made history in July of 2025 when Habitat for Humanity and Goodwill opened our 2 stores under one roof. First of its kind in Canada, as far as we know, in North America. Dr. Anne-Marie Reddy and her team at Habitat and our team here at Goodwill joined forces. And again, in the middle of last year, we opened up something very special.
We help individuals, families that are looking to get into homeownership but are simply being blocked out of the market. I believe most individuals will say today, homeownership is becoming somewhat of a pipe dream. Further and further out of reach, we're seeing young individuals in a community struggling to make the decision, do I go to school, take out student loans, or do I try and save for a down payment? Because I can't do both anymore. Homeownership is so important because it is the bedrock of a community. People who are homeowners become involved in their community. We know and we have the stats that show homeowners have better health, better financial outcomes, their kids do better in school. We believe and state that we are here to ensure that homeownership remains in communities. That's why we exist. To us, homeownership matters, and it matters a great deal, and we think it's something to be protected.
The collaboration between 2 nonprofits is strategically and tactically very important. We execute better together, but the magic is when 2 organizations of caring like-mindedness come together, the energy builds. We vigorously look for opportunities to do more. It's not just 2 independent organizations excelling, it's the combination. And that journey of good, that coming together, excites and ignites both organizations, ultimately doing much more for the community.